Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
A digital signature certificate makes signing documents secure and legally valid, all from your computer. It gives your electronic signature the same legal weight as a traditional handwritten one, but with an added layer of robust security. Imagine signing important contracts, invoices, or even government forms from anywhere, anytime, without needing to print, sign, and scan. This simple tool truly revolutionizes how we handle paperwork today. To get started, you'll need an active digital signature certificate, typically stored on a secure USB token. Ensure your computer has the appropriate signing software installed, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, which handles most PDF signing needs seamlessly. Lastly, a reliable internet connection is vital for the system to verify your certificate's authenticity in real time. These three simple components are all you require for secure digital signing. First, open the document you intend to sign in your preferred PDF reader, like Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, navigate to the Tools menu, where you will typically find an option labeled Certificates or a dedicated Sign button. Selecting this prepares the document for the digital signature placement, guiding you to the next essential step. It's a straightforward start to a secure signing process. Now, click on Digitally Sign, and then simply drag your mouse to create a rectangle where you want your signature to appear on the page. From the list that appears, select your specific digital signature certificate, and then enter the secure password for your USB token. Finally, save the document. This action applies your unique digital signature, locking the file and ensuring its integrity from that moment forward. Documents signed with a DSC are incredibly secure, tamper-proof, and provide undeniable proof of who signed them. You gain enhanced security, dramatically reduce paper consumption, and save valuable time on administrative tasks. Embracing digital signatures makes your workflow much more efficient and environmentally conscious. Start signing digitally today and secure your documents with confidence and ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.